Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today, we are excited to embark on a journey to master the UDP settings in zivpn, a powerful tool designed to enhance your online security and improve your browsing experience. Let's walk through the steps clearly and effectively. Step 1. Begin by downloading zivpn from the Google Play Store. This is your first step in optimizing your online security and ensuring your privacy. Step 2. Once the app is installed, open it to arrive at the home screen. This screen serves as your gateway to customizing the VPN settings according to your preferences. Step 3. Look for the UDP box on the home screen and tick it to activate this robust protocol. UDP is known for its efficient data transmission, making it an excellent choice for a seamless online experience. Step 4. Now, navigate to the server list within the app. Carefully select a server located in your preferred region. Choosing the right server is essential for establishing a secure and stable connection tailored to your needs. Step 5. Finally, click the Start button to initiate your connection. This marks the beginning of an optimized and secure browsing experience through your configured UDP settings. We invite you to join our community on Telegram and WhatsApp, where you can connect with like-minded individuals and stay updated on the latest in online security and privacy practices. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Don't hesitate to leave a comment if you have any questions or if there's anything you didn't quite understand.